citizens of the world, at this moment, we are issuing a message that must reach all countries of the world. The reason why this message is sent is because we want to apologize for what is happening. Surely, we will tell you what you already know, but since we are in charge of everything, we believe that this is something appropriate to do. The missions to divert Planet Miller failed, and other missions from other countries, unfortunately, ended the same. We want to apologize to all humans. Forgive us for not being able to save them and not being able to help the rest of life on the planet. Since we learned of the existence of Planet Miller on February 18th, we had 6 months to act. Our response ended up being slow and inefficient. Now there's no chance of return or a second chance. Planet Miller, it's getting closer and closer. But there are recent studies that could conclude that Planet Miller is not yet in the solar system, or if its collision with planet Earth will be direct. The American and European governments have given results that say that all this could have been a false alarm. Anyway, we ask you to be aware of the upcoming news. If everything was a false alarm, we know that our species can still be saved. Also, in any case, we are planning a mission to preserve the human race. This mission seeks to evacuate as many humans as possible that are suitable to preserve the human race on a new planet. Recruitment will begin soon. This will be done in all countries of the world. We ask you to keep up to date with the news that your government is giving. Perhaps it was only said that the collision was imminent to prevent any scenario. Jupiter or Saturn probably managed to divert Planet Miller without us knowing. If everything was a false alarm, we can leave this fact in the past. We recommend that you do not trust anyone externally.